guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naomi back with another video. Feel me? Before I even get started into the video, make sure you guys go and show some love and hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. You didn't hit it, I saw you. Like, go hit the button. Thank you. As you guys can tell from the title, today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips on how to get 100 subscribers within 1 week of starting your YouTube channel. Now that I'm at 1K, I feel like it's appropriate for me to share this video because when I first started my YouTube channel, I did hit 100 subscribers in like a week or less than a week. Like, it really didn't take me that long, to be honest. And then it was after hitting it that I like slowed down, or like it just moved kind of slow. But yeah, so I decided to just share some tips with you guys, and you know, the longer I've had my YouTube, the more I've learned. So yeah, you know, if you think about starting a YouTube channel and you're watching this video, just keep watching to the end. So you have 5 tips on how to get your first 100 subscribers. Everything will be different for everybody, but if you follow what I'm about to tell you, then I feel like you'll be valid, to be honest. But yes, let's get into the video. I'm using my iPad, feel me? Like, I don't gotta write nothing in no notebook paper no more, feel me? Unboxing video is up to you, go check that out. But yeah, I wrote it down. So the first one is promote links. Like, you see how like most YouTubers, when they post a video, they either like tag the link on Twitter or Facebook or Snapchat or all 3, or they have like the link in their bio on Instagram. Make sure you do that. Say you make your YouTube, right? But you haven't even made a video yet. That doesn't mean you can't tag the link. You could still go and share the link to your actual YouTube channel so that people can still get in tune with your channel before you even post a video, feel me? Like, for example, your friends, I'm pretty sure if you post on your Snapchat or your Instagram or whatever, be like, hey, I'm starting a YouTube channel, go show some love, yada yada yada. Your friends are gonna be your first supporters at the beginning. So yeah, share the link and your friends are gonna subscribe or whatever. And if you have, I've noticed that if you have like nice like cover art, people will subscribe from that too, because they're like, oh, that looks nice, like she looked like she know how to dress, I'm expecting clothing haul videos, let me subscribe. But yeah, just always share. Even once you post your first video, make sure to spam it, make sure to share it on Facebook, Snap, Instagram, Snap, I already said Snap, Twitter, wherever you can share it. If you got a graffiti on the side of a building, then graffiti the link on the side of a building, feel me? Like, just make sure you share it on all of your platforms, because you have different people on different platforms, feel me? So share the link wherever you can to get more like traffic to your video. The second tip is, if you want like views fast or subscribers fast, do a clothing haul video. Like, I don't really see men do clothing haul videos, but if you're a female, do a clothing haul video. Skip the get to know me video, skip the Q&A video, go straight to clothing haul video, because all clothing haul videos do well when it's Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Things, Shein, Misguided, like any like website you can think of that's popular that sells women clothing. If you do a haul on that, I promise you, you're gonna get views. For a channel with no subscribers, you're gonna get views and you're gonna get subscribers, especially if in that video like you're really like working it, feel me? Like, you know how to put pieces together, everything look nice, you make a nice thumbnail, you're gonna get views and you're gonna get subscribers. And that video alone like hits off for a lot of people, and is the reason a lot of people have like all the subscribers they do. So yeah, get to it. Go order some clothes right now and make a clothing haul video. My third tip is, the first week of making your channel, post at least 2 to 3 to 4 videos within that week. Now 4 is a little much, not gonna lie, but 2 to 3 I feel like is a good amount, because it gives, say somebody stumbles upon your first video and they don't know that you just started your YouTube, even though they can look at the date and be like, oh, she posted 2 days ago, she just started. If they really like that first video and they want to watch another video and you have another video up, they're gonna subscribe. On top of that, you know, say your first video doesn't do that well, like say you do a get to know me video and people don't really watch it, you don't want to have that only video up for that whole week, because then you're not pulling in any subscribers, because nobody wanted to watch the video, nobody cares about the video, nobody knows who you are, so nobody cares to watch the get to know you, because nobody wants to know you. So if you post that video up and then a day later you post another video that does better, you're gonna get more traffic onto your channel, because that video is now doing better. And if that video is doing good and people look on your channel like, oh, what else is up, and they see the get to know me, they're like, okay, you know, let me watch the video because it's up, feel me? So yeah, within that first week, post a video, like post at least 2 to 3 videos within that first week. If you're really bold and want to post a video every single day, by all means do you, but you want to give your videos time to grow, so I don't recommend posting every day. But I mean, hey, you do you with your channel. If you want to post every day, then post every day, feel me? The fourth tip is to use tags. Now, if you have the YouTube Creators app, you know that when you upload a video and you go there to like upload your thumbnail, and it'll tell you like what type of video is it. Like, is it entertainment, is it game, yada yada yada. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, it will have a little place that says tags, and when you go there you can write tags in the video. And basically what tags are like search words or key terms or words that help people find your video. So say you do a clothing haul, right? And the tags, you can put clothing haul, clothing try on haul, shopping, trying on clothes. You can put the name of the brand. So you could put Shein, misguided, yada yada yada, hit or miss, yay or nay, you know, like different terms that people use when they do clothing hauls. That way, say if the title of your video is Shein shopping, but somebody searches up Shein clothing haul or Shein try on haul, your video will still pop up because those key search words are in your tags. So your video will still pop up and people will be like, oh, like, let me click this, like, what is this? Feel me? So it's important to use tags in your videos. Honestly, just tag the randomest things that pertain to your videos. I be tagging shirt, short, pants, like, I be tagging everything. That way if somebody searches one thing up, like, my video still pops up and they still have the opportunity to click my video if they're interested in it. So I definitely recommend that if you're just on your channel, because if you have no subscribers, that's the way people are going to see your channel, through tags. And the fifth and last one is show your personality. This was something I struggled with so much. Like, I would record a video and I'll sit so straight and I'll be like, yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ling. So today I'm going to be doing a video giving you tips. Like, no, you don't have to be like so serious and so proper. Like, you can make mistakes. Like, I know people tend to edit a lot of this stuff out, but if you say you make a mistake, right? Like, for example, if you watch some of my videos, you'll know that I always say subscribers button instead of subscribe button. So I'll be like, make sure you guys go and hit that subscribers button. And I'll be like, because like is my way of like rewinding what I just said and then trying it again. And sometimes I edit out and sometimes I don't edit out because it's funny, or it's just like, it's just showing you guys like, look, I messed up but it was funny, okay, whatever. So like, you don't have to be so serious. Like, you can laugh, you can do whatever. If you're one of those people like me who gets sidetracked and you start playing with things or jumping on the bed or rolling around, you know, you're gonna have to edit most of it out because I'd be like sidetracked for like a whole hour. But you can leave like a little clip in to show you guys like it's funny, like it's just a random thing, you know. So yeah, just really show your personality, because sometimes if people like your personality, they will subscribe to you. Like, if you're in your video and you have long nails and a weave and you're really pretty and you're like, yeah, so let me tell y'all, yada yada yada, you know, acting like a bird or whatever. Some people like that. Like, I like that, I'm not gonna lie, it'd be mad interesting. So people are gonna subscribe because they're like, oh, I like her personality, I like her, yada yada yada, and they're gonna subscribe to you. And then boom, next thing you know, you're at 100 subscribers, just like that. Piece of case. I said piece of case. Well, it's a pizza case. But period, feel me? So yeah, those are my 5 tips on how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. If you guys want more videos, comment them down below, like, you know, more beginner videos. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video or found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's over here, just in case you didn't do it at the beginning of the video, feel me? And yeah, comment any video ideas you have down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Basta pinata, open your mata, shoot the party, mata.